Hello and welcome to Quality Food Safety 101. This is Arsalan. Today we are starting a new type of content or new videos which will be focused on food safety at home. In these videos we'll talk about general food safety and food quality topics which are really important to maintain the health of our consumers and our family members at home. There is a general misconception amongst many people that food poisoning or foodborne illnesses do not happen from home cooked meals, or generally that when we eat outside, that only can cause food poisoning. This is a wrong concept. First of all, if you do not know what is food poisoning, I will leave a card up here to link to a video which explains what is food poisoning or foodborne illnesses. Have a look at that and come back to this video and we'll discuss furthermore. So, as I was saying, that food poisoning or foodborne illnesses can easily happen from home cooked meals as well. How it happens, why it happens, and how do we control them? This is the whole theme of these series of videos about food safety at home. So kick off these series of videos. Today we'll talk about a first topic which is a little bit controversial as well and very interesting also, that should we wash raw meat and chicken before cooking? Is there a requirement for it? What is the meaning of washing raw meat and chicken? And if we do, what are the consequences? So let's start on that. Before anything else, let me be very clear. We should absolutely not wash the raw chicken and meat before cooking them. This is a very clear statement I am telling you. There is no need to wash raw chicken or poultry or any type of meat before cooking. Why is that? Let me explain now. A lot of people think that washing the chicken or meat before cooking will remove the dirt or the bacteria from the surface of the meat and chicken, but that's not true. On the contrary, this actually spreads the bacteria like Campylobacter and Salmonella in the environment of your kitchen and contaminate all the parts, including your utensils, including other surfaces, and even other fruits and vegetables which are nearby to the sink, and they are all getting contaminated. Now what will happen after this, that you will cook your meat or chicken properly in the oven or on the stove, and the bacteria which are there, they will die, but the bacteria which you leave or the germs which you leave on the surfaces or on the utensils or on other vegetables and fruits, they are still there and they can spread and cause contamination and cause food poisoning. So the simple way to understand is that we should not wash raw meat or chicken. So now let's look at some of the content courtesy CDC, Center of Disease Control of America, and USDA, which is United States Drug and Food Control Authority. These have made very good informative video about this same topic. So let's look at those videos.
Back in the day, we used to have to wash our chicken because processing chickens happened a little closer to home. Things have changed a lot since then. Nowadays, chickens are brought from the farm where they're raised to a processing plant. Here, they are prepped, then washed and rinsed several times. To prevent diseases, the USDA inspects the chicken at several steps throughout the process. The chickens are then chilled, packaged, and sent off to the grocery store. So when the chicken finally arrives in your home, you don't need to wash it. Cook the chicken to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit and enjoy a delicious meal.
Kitchens do a lot of work for our families. Meals are prepared, drinks are poured and spilled, and there's always plenty to clean and wash. However, rinsing raw poultry contaminates your kitchen with harmful bacteria like Salmonella. Bacteria is aerosolized with water when you rinse your chicken, which means that bacteria can travel beyond what you can see. When you can keep bacteria from spreading, you make the kitchen as clean as possible.
So, just to prove this fact that while washing chicken and meat, the germs will spread in the kitchen, we did an experiment at our home as well. So let me show you that. So this is our basic setup where we have put a tissue paper on the rack which has clean dishes, and we will be washing this chicken to show you that how germs spread during this washing experiment basically. When you will see that the tissue paper is having droplets of water, it means that these droplets have come from the chicken while washing the chicken was being done, and these are having germs which will spread everywhere. So you can see that now the washing is going on, and even when there is a very small, or you can say very low flow in the tap, still the water splashes are there, and this is how the the germs spread. So now the tissue paper is having water droplets, and you can see that these water droplets potentially will have, and or no, actually 100% will have Campylobacter or Salmonella, these kind of bacteria, and which can cause food poisoning to anybody. So as we now learned through the world-renowned agencies like CDC and USDA, and also through a home experiment, that the germs can spread while washing meat or chicken, then how do we control this contamination? Number one thing, as I said before as well, absolutely do not wash the chicken and meat. It's not necessary. You are actually doing a very counterproductive thing and spreading more germs. Always wash your hands before and after handling raw meat and chickens. Keep raw meat and chicken separate from other foods in your shopping cart while you're shopping in the supermarkets, in your refrigerator as well, and during preparation. Generally, in refrigerators, the raw meat and chicken should be kept in the lower shelves. We will make a separate detailed video about this, that how to store food in the refrigerator. Then while cutting or during the preparation, the cutting boards, preparation surfaces, knives, or any other containers or tools you are using, they should be separate from the other meat, other food products, and after the preparation is done, wash them as soon as possible. Then cook the chicken to a safe temperature. Generally, the safest temperature to cook the chicken is 75 degrees Celsius. So this is the end of our video. Just to summarize, please take care of all these control measures which I mentioned for the raw meat and chicken. Absolutely do not wash them. It will spread the germs and cause more chance of contamination and food poisoning. So I hope that you like this new kind of content and new topic of videos in Quality Food Safety 101. We will try to keep these videos more short, more crisp, more user friendly, and to be easy to understand by everyone who is handling food, and which is almost everyone in the world. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, please feel free to contact us in the comment section of the video, or you can email us as well. The email of the channel I will leave in the description. Please like our content, subscribe to us, press the bell icon so that you get timely updates. We will be posting videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next one.